All right, we gotta talk about something. In the car. What is going on here? Hey everybody, it's Gunnarolla. If you drive in the winter, then it's very important to have a good set of winter tires. Especially in Canada, we've got snow, rain, ice, and slush, not to mention dropping temperatures. Winter tires are designed to help you deal with that. So today I've partnered with Michelin, one of the most well-known and trusted brands when it comes to tires. I'm gonna show you what it's like to get them installed and how Michelin X Ice Snow can help keep you safe on the roads this winter. Let's go. Driving in the winter can be a challenge, and having a good set of winter tires is your first step to keeping the roads safe. They're optimized for all of the different road conditions you'll encounter over the next few months: rain, snow, ice, slush, and extreme cold. I'm getting my tires installed at Street Stars Customs, a local shop in London, Ontario. The entire process should only take around 30 to 40 minutes. The first thing you need to do is find your tire size. This can be found in your vehicle owner's manual or on the inside of your door. We'll be installing the Michelin X Ice Snow tire, designed for maximum mobility and safety, with 85% of these tires for the North American market made right here in Canada.
Hi, my name is Peter. I'm the owner of Street Stars Customs here in London, Ontario. So first thing we gotta do is we gotta jack up the car. Next step is to take the wheels off.
Now, one important thing to note is that your tires might be installed with a wheel lock. Make sure to locate that key or talk to your dealer or technician about how to get the wheel unlocked before your appointment. I found this out the hard way.
We'll get some of the lube paste. We'll lube in the inner side of the beads. Makes it easier to install. So now we have the new wheel. We are gonna balance them. It's making sure that the tread wear will wear out evenly versus too much on the side or too much on the outside. Now we gotta put the wheels back on. What we're gonna do is we're gonna do a star pattern to make sure the wheel goes on nice and centered onto the hub. Drop it down, and we're gonna torque it. To make sure the wheel doesn't come off, we recommend you coming back for a retorque just to make sure none of the bolts came loose. Ready for the road.
Just in time for winter, introducing the Michelin X Ice Snow tire. Compared to their competitors, these tires will stop nearly 3 meters shorter on ice, and they'll last one additional winter. They're made of a compound that will maintain flexibility in extreme cold, and this V-shaped tread design gives you optimal grip on wet roads, snow, ice, and slush. While it's important to adapt your driving habits to all the elements that we'll encounter over the next few months, quality winter tires are the first step to keeping the roads safe this winter. Michelin is a trusted leader when it comes to tires, so you can be sure that they'll be able to withstand all of the rigorous and extreme conditions that winter has in store. Thanks, Michelin! For more information about the Michelin X Ice Snow tire, visit the link below. I'll see you next time. À la prochaine!